Hello, brother Inaki, brother Anasa, and the people from Arigoriaga. We love you so much.
Hello, Praise Little Soul from Uganda. Thank you very much for everything. I love you so much. Be fine. We will help you.
Enashi Embo and the people from Algoriaga, Pacific country, we need your support.
Alikuwa kujambo.
Lurra eta elikagaiak lantzen dituztenekiko errekonozimendua horretan baitatzen gure bizi gaupena. Inor gutxiago esentiaraztea, bakoitzaren abileziak ospatuta, gozamenerako erabiltzea. Gure barne juntasuna maitasunarekin aldatuta justua dena ulertzen ikastea.
Hello, greetings to you. Dear friends, my name is Samuel Chivumbi. I'm from Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Yes, I salute Ainaka, Amasa, and the people of Western country. Yes, we are here asking for your support. I'm taking care of dogs and puppies, but we don't have support and we don't have food for Christmas. Please help us. We are asking for your support. It will be a blessing. Thank you so much. God bless you.
My name is Kato from Uganda. We salute Inka, Emblo, and Nasi, and the people from Alugaliga, the Bosque country. We ask for your support.
Yellow, Enachi Embo, and the people from Arigoriaga, Bosque country. Here is Setaka Children's Foundation Uganda. We call upon your support, we call upon your collaboration. We work together for all, together for children. Every child deserves a good life. Amen.